Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to choose the right business type in Wave. Now, if you're setting up a new account, Wave will prompt you to select a business type during the onboarding process. You can choose from options like sole proprietor, corporation, partnership, or personal. Now just select the one that best matches your structure, and if you're not sure, you want to consult with your accountant or local business registration body. If you've already created your account and you want to change it, all you got to do is go to settings, business settings, and then business type. And there you can update the type and save your changes. Choosing the correct business type ensures that your accounting is accurate and, most importantly, compliant. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.